A lawyer visited his wife's elder auntie house. His wife's elder auntie house. A lawyer visited. Okay. His wife went to meet other relatives, leaving him alone with that old lady. Old lady. His husband also, her husband also passed. She's alone. She's alone. So this lawyer and his wife came to visit this old lady. Okay. Then his wife went somewhere to meet other relatives. In the villages, these type of things are common, right? That's all. Okay. He is alone with that old lady. Then what this person did is, this lawyer, what this person did is, instead of sitting silently, okay, if these days phone is there, then okay. But olden days phone, these kind of things are not there, right? Instead of sitting ideally, okay, he carefully looked around the beautiful house, around the beautiful house. He looked around the house, okay. Then he sincerely admired it. Wow, what a great house! What a beautiful. In every area, while construction, they took very much care. But unfortunately, earlier she had her husband, next wonderful family, but now everything, all the people gone. Only that lady, that too almost in 90s. Only that lady is there. The big house is there, like, okay. Then this lawyer admired that houseman. That house. This is a beautiful home. I never saw this type of beautiful home in my life. Houses like this rarely built today. In today, this type of houses are not there. Rarely built today. This is a beautiful home. What I ever saw. Like he told this word to that old lady. Observe carefully. He told this word. Really, genuine appreciation only. Okay, like, can you please observe by telling this point, what is the feeling of that old lady? Yes, man. If the visitor lawyer told this point to that lady, what is the feeling of that lady?
He felt very happy.
Definitely, he is going to feel very happy or not. Okay. Do you know the old lady face brightened. She happily showed him everything, man. Oh, you like this house, sir? Please come. Okay, this is we imported from so and so Paris. This is we imported from Italy. Okay, just to create this one, oh, almost 30 days, four members worked only to create this one. Like she's start explaining each and every piece of that house. She shared the stories about the house, her late husband, next their dreams, their travels, their beautiful, okay, antiques. Like she started sharing everything, man. The lawyer listened with a genuine interest. Show genuine interest in the opposite person. Listen, listen with the ears, eyes, from the heart, with full attention. The same thing lawyer did. She took him car garage. There stood a perfectly preserved Packard car is there. Packard car is there, vintage car. She softly said, my husband bought this for me shortly before he passed away. And చనిపోబోయే ముందే నా కోసం గిఫ్ట్గా ఈ కార్ని my husband gave this car, bought this car for me. Like she told. Then, to the lawyer's compliment surprise, she said, I'm going to give this car to you. That's all. I'm going to give this car to you. The lawyer refused politely. He explained, you have relatives. You have relatives. Then you can. But she answered, they only want the car after I die. They only want the car after I die. She wanted someone who truly appreciated her memories and her life. Okay, what that lady trying to give that? Okay, my relatives, they are waiting for my death. They are waiting for my death. They never going to worry about my importance. They never going to worry about my well wishes. All these things, my relatives are eagerly waiting when this lady is going to die and when we are going to occupy this. My relatives are not up to the mark. Don't worry. You are the right person to hold this car. You know the value of the beautiness. You know the value of the vintage. I like you. Please take this gift. Like that lady gave that Packard car as a gift, man. Observe that what this person did, what that lawyer visitor, what this person did. Respond. What this person did, what the lawyer did,
He genuinely appreciated.
genuinely appreciated and listened with full attention. You are the right person to hold this car. My relatives are not having eligibility to hold this car. Please take this car. That is the beauty. Remember that.